Hi, I'm Valeska. I live in Brooklyn and I am Ruby Frances's mom. I was actually about 4 weeks pregnant when I did receive my first 2 doses of Pfizer. At that point, I was just at the beginning of my first trimester. So definitely, spoke a lot to my doctors, to my friends and family before making an informed decision. Speaking to my community just kind of as a sounding board, like my friends, my family lives outside the country. So my friends here in New York are really my extended family, and having them as just kind of like a back and forth. I feel good that, I've been able to pass these antibodies on to my daughter, and just to have that extra layer of protection. I actually think my first dose hit me a little harder than my second dose. But even that, like, it wasn't more than like 24 hours that I maybe felt a little bit achy. Essentially, the choice is up to you. But I think just talking it out and voicing your concerns and just being heard makes a world of difference.